Hey! Welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to create a new channel in Telegram. Open the Telegram app. Click on the pen icon at the top right corner. Select New Channel from the list. Click on Create Channel. Enter the channel name. Add a description. Click on Next. Select the channel type you need. Click on Done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!